Pardon the noise and cars and traffic. Hiking along to get over to the river. Something I ain't done in a while. And have a little bit of fun. Get out, enjoy things. And cook me a good fish dinner. Get some mashed potatoes. And some bell peppers, some mushrooms. And some stuffing. And a couple fillets of cod, Alaskan cod. And it's kind of something I can enjoy a little bit. I'm always on the bike anymore. It's definitely paying for itself as I use that to commute back and forth to work. So I just thought it's time to get out, hike, and enjoy ourselves, right? Beautiful 70-degree day. So I'll catch up with you guys. So as you can see here, it's definitely as spring has hit. Pick one of those flowers later because I got a feeling that that's a toxic plant that is high in vitamin C, but the toxicity kind of overshadows the vitamin C aspect of it. Hope you guys are having a good week. Definitely tell as spring has popped up pretty good here, as it has all around the world, which is great. And I hope you guys are getting out and enjoying things. Definitely been a while since I've been out about on foot anyway. So what's up with you guys? So today's fire is going to be brought to you by Black and White Fire Starters, and we're going to try out the little cupcake and try lighting our fire. Bring this up so you guys can see it. It's his own little recipe. So went right up with no problem. Gonna place her down in there. Get some sticks going. Build this up. And let her go. Also got some other things we'll put in there just to extend it out. As you see, it seems to be going pretty good. So if we need anything else, I definitely bring plenty. Move our cameras back a little bit. So definitely says little cupcakes work well. What do you guys think? So I gotta get some other things going and get everything put together, and I'll bring you back once I'm getting ready to put everything on. So what I've done here is these are frozen Alaskan cod fillets. So I just threw some water in there. We're going to stick them by the fire a little bit. and see if I can't get them to thaw out, and then we'll cook them. So what you guys are seeing now is a tripod set up. I got the fish in the bush pot, got water in there, just kind of letting it thaw out, keeping it away from the fire but allowing the heat to kind of work its magic without overdoing it. Got water in the pot here, and we're going to boil that. That's going to be my mashed potatoes, and the water from the fish will be my stuffing. Got some bell peppers in the skillet over there. We'll fry those up when the time comes. But this is basically what I got going on for you guys, and I think it's going to be a good meal. Haven't been to the spot in a couple years, so should be pretty good. Everything looks pretty decent, and it's not too bad. And hope everything is looking up, looking good. And all this stuff is going on. It'll eventually disappear. We'll go back to being pretty normal. You guys got to get out in nature and get balanced. I know that's kind of hard for some of you guys and girls as well. Thank you for all my new subscribers that have been subscribing to me. I really appreciate that. One subscriber got him an e-bike, and hope he enjoys that as much as I have. That's definitely got me back and forth to work, as well as a lot of fun, kept me out of the house. So I just thought it was time for a backpacking trip, and this is what we got. And before I get out of here, if it's not too dark, I'll go over with the gear I got. If not, I'll add it in tomorrow before I upload this. So I got to check on everything, and I'll get back to you guys. Although not completely 100% boiling hot, definitely hot enough, I think, for mashed potatoes. So I didn't bring a knife with me, so we're going to be using the tomahawk blade, which works great. Dump in our taters. Bring out the wood spoon here to stir it up with. One of my older spoons, and it has always worked, no doubts, as you see. Definitely thickening up real good. So that's awesome. So the next thing we're going to do is get some stuffing going. We'll get rid of some of this water here, and we'll go after that next. So So we're going to go ahead and pull that off, see if it's hot enough for me to add the stuffing, and go from there. Feels pretty good. I think I'm gonna need a little bit more water though. If you guys don't have a pocket bellows, I would recommend one. Put this back on here for a little bit. Drop her down. There we go. Could be a little lower, but no big deal. Just some run-of-the-mill cheap stuffing. Go ahead and get that ready. I'll bring you guys back. So that's what we got. Some fish and some peppers, some mashed potatoes, and some stuffing. Sorry for the shadows, guys. And there's several of us out here, so we're definitely going to get something to eat here. So as you guys can see now, 4:30 in the morning. Everybody's left camp, and probably got to get to work. So we get to our chance to go get out of here. Hope you guys got a good night's rest. Kind of sound like a city folk, huh? Already starting to see the bugs come out this year. Coming out early, or, well, I guess it's not all that early anymore. Supper was a hit last night. Codfish was definitely a big deal. They like the codfish and mashed potatoes and peppers. And stuffing all mixed into one. They like that quite a bit. So hope you guys enjoy this and a little bit of night hiking, and catch you guys later.